Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm your new teacher, Sister Sundus, and I hope you will enjoy the entire class with me today, inshallah. So let's begin. So before heading on to any new lesson, I would like you to understand the rules of Qalqalah. So basically, Qalqalah in Arabic, its literal meaning is movement, shaking, unrest, or something that is bouncing. So rules of Qalqalah we will only understand if we know that how many letters are there in Arabic alphabets that are known to be letters of Qalqalah. So there are 5 letters of Qalqalah are there: Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, and Dal. And in short form, you can say Khutbu Jaddin. And sometimes some people call it Qut Bajad. Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, Dal are compiled in this word. So keep in mind that if the letters of Qalqalah comes at the end of a word and you stop on it, you have to make a very big jumpy sound. Okay? Your sound should be a shaking sound, an unrest sound. Anyone can feel the movement of the letter when you ends the verse, when you ends the word. Now, when the following letters are sakin, if they come in the middle of the word, we make a little lighter echo sound while pronouncing them. You know, a very fun fact that Qalqalah letters, when come in between the word in form of a second word, for example, if there is a ba second in between the word, or if there's jim second in between the word, you have to make a very lighter echo. But when it comes at the end of the word, or if there is any shadda or tajdeed, we can say, by the end of the word, the echo sound will be very strong. The motion, the movement, and the shaking sound will be very strong. Now let's practice few words of Qalqalah Sughra. That means a very slight Qalqalah. Sughra means small. We also can say it a very small amount of Qalqalah we will pronounce here. We are reading Qaf. You can see here that Qaf comes in between the letter. Aqbil. Bimiqdarin. You can hear me that the echo sound is very, very light here. Bimiq. Similarly, if I'll read Tha here, you can hear me Shatu Ra. Biqit'in. Yut'imuni. A very light echo sound. Now let's head on to another example of Qalqalah, that is called Qalqalah Kubra, a very strong, big, giant Qalqalah. It will pronounce when if you see it by the end of the verse. So you can see here the verse Sayasla naran dhata lahab. The ba is in red color and it comes by the end of the verse. So the Qalqalah echo will be very strong here. Dhata lahab. Lahab. And then the next word Irama dhatil imad. Imad. Now one more example in Surah Al-Ikhlas. Qul huwa Allahu ahad. Ahad. This is Qalqalah Kubra. The next verse Min sharri ma khalaqu. Khalaqu. The next Idha waqab. Waqab. So it comes in the end of the verse. So the Qalqalah sound will be very strong. The ba will pronounce with the motion. It will end with the echo sound, a very strong echo sound. You can feel the movement and shaking of the word, or you can say the letter ba. So let's practice more. وَالسَّمَاءِ ذَاتِ الْبُرُوجِ قَائِمًا بِالْقِسْطِ. So these are the examples of Qalqalah Kubra and Qalqalah Sughra. So don't forget that there are 5 Qalqalahs: Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, Dal, and they are very important to memorize. It will help you in further lessons. Inshallah, practice this sabak and let me know how did you find this video. Was it helpful or not? And what improvements I can make for next more videos. Inshallah. So in the next video, we will be reading about the kasra. So stay tuned. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.